Everyone thinks the best-selling double-din head unit is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Pioneer MVH S622BS. The Pioneer MVH S622BS caught my eye right away. Priced at around $143.99, it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a solid blend of performance and features, this is worth a serious look. This head unit solves your problem by offering built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling, meaning you can chat without taking your eyes off the road. The USB and auxiliary ports let you connect your devices effortlessly, so you can play music directly or charge your phone on the go. Plus, the SiriusXM readiness gives you access to over 140 channels, perfect for road trips. The advanced sound retriever enhances audio quality, making your music sound better than ever. With 839 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, this unit is a crowd favorite. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though. If you're comfortable with car electronics or willing to pay for professional installation, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you prioritize audio quality and connectivity. Skip this one if you want something simpler or less expensive. For the features offered, it's definitely a good value. Now, if the installation aspect of the Pioneer bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Leadfan 7-inch car stereo. The Leadfan 7-inch car stereo is a real budget-friendly gem at just $39.99. What stood out to me was the inclusion of a backup camera for added safety. If you need a straightforward solution without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. This head unit addresses your need for a basic yet functional system. The 7-inch touchscreen gives you clear visuals, making it easy to navigate. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.0, you can connect your phone for hands-free calls and music streaming. The Mirror Link feature allows you to sync your smartphone for navigation, which is super handy. With over 3,800 reviews and a 3.7-star rating, it's clearly popular among budget shoppers. However, some users have mentioned the sound quality isn't as strong as pricier models. But honestly, for under $40, it's more about functionality than audiophile-grade sound. If you're just looking for basic features, this isn't a deal breaker. This is ideal for you if you're on a tight budget and need a reliable stereo. Skip this if you require high-end audio quality or extensive features. You can't beat the value for what you get here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more advanced tech. Product number 3. PLZ 7-inch wireless car stereo. The PLZ 7-inch wireless car stereo has some impressive specs for $109.81. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto features caught my attention right away. If you want smart integration with your phone, this is definitely worth a look. What makes this product special is its wireless connectivity, which means you can use features like GPS navigation and music streaming without any messy cables. The 240W output and built-in DSP ensure you'll enjoy high-fidelity sound, while the 10-band EQ lets you customize your audio settings. Plus, the independent Bluetooth 5.3 module offers an enhanced calling experience. With about 2,100 reviews and a solid 4.0 star rating, it's clear that users appreciate this unit. However, some users noted that the touchscreen could be a bit laggy at times. Here's the thing. If you're looking for the latest tech, this might be a minor issue, but it could be frustrating for those who prioritize speed. This is perfect for tech-savvy drivers who want seamless phone integration. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional setup without the need for advanced smartphone features. The performance you get for the price is impressive. Now, if you want a more reliable and established brand, check out our next option. Product number 4. Boss BV 9358B car stereo. The Boss BV 9358B is another strong contender at $139.99. I was impressed by its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. If you're looking for a feature-rich stereo that's easy to use, this is a worthy option. This head unit offers seamless access to your iPhone or Android, allowing you to control everything from calls to navigation with just your voice. The interface is user-friendly, and it even supports third-party apps like Waze and Spotify. The 7-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 800 by 480 ensures clarity and ease of use. With over 5,500 reviews and a 4.1 star rating, it's clear users appreciate the functionality. However, some reviews mention the lack of a CD/DVD player, which may be a downside for those who still use physical media. But honestly, in today's streaming world, this shouldn't deter anyone looking for modern features. This is perfect for anyone who relies heavily on their smartphone for navigation and media. Skip this if you need a traditional CD player. For the price and features, it's a solid investment. That brings us to a more premium offering from the same brand. So let's check that out. Product number 5. Boss BVCP 9700A Car Stereo. The Boss BVCP 9700A is priced at $164.99 and is packed with features. I particularly like the intuitive interface for CarPlay and Android Auto. If you want a high-quality experience with smart features, this one's worth considering. This stereo is designed to work seamlessly with both iPhones and Android devices, making it super convenient for users of either platform. The Bluetooth functionality lets you make hands-free calls and stream music easily. The steering wheel control compatibility is a nice touch, allowing you to adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. With a 4.2 star rating from about 1,100 reviews, it's clear that users find it reliable. But some users mention that the installation can be challenging without professional help. Here's the thing, though. If you're handy or willing to get help, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for users who want top-notch integration and ease of use. Skip this if you're not comfortable with installations or need something plug-and-play. For what it packs in, this unit offers good value. To recap, we have the Pioneer MVH S622BS for audio lovers, the budget-friendly lead-fan 7-inch car stereo, the tech-savvy PLZ 7-inch wireless car stereo, the user-friendly Boss BV 9358B, and the feature-rich Boss BVCP 9700A. Each of these head units has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick one that aligns with your needs and enjoy an upgraded driving experience.